Welcome, in this video I'll show you how you can use Otter.AI. Now the first thing you want to do if you're on their homepage is to click start for free. Then this will redirect you to a login page where you can either select a paid plan, so you can use it for free for 7 days, or you can choose the free plan. We will choose the free plan in this case, and then we will need to log in. So here you can either enter in your email or you can continue with Google. Now I've continued with Google, and after you've done that, you should be redirected to a new page. Here you can choose to share notes with all event guests, or you can choose to keep your notes private. In this case, I'll want to keep it private, and then I'll click on Enable Autopilot. Then you will need to choose your Google account again, and then you can see you have successfully connected your Google account. Which video conference software do you use? We could select Zoom, for example. We'll click on Next, and then we can click on Connect, or in the top right corner we have the button Skip. After a few seconds you will be redirected to your dashboard. The first thing I want to show you is My Conversations. So if you click on this, you will be able to see all of your conversations in here. As you can see, this is a new account, so I cannot see any previous conversations obviously. So here is your account, but you can also create a workspace. So we will create a team. So you can see this is a premium feature only, so we cannot use this with our free plan. If you go back and we click on this icon here and then account settings, you can basically just change your name here. You can change your email, your password, department, as well as your role. And if you scroll down, here are some extra settings. For example, you could delete your account if you don't want to use Otter.AI anymore. Here you have meeting settings, plan settings, apps settings, so you can connect to Google Calendar or Google Contacts, for example, so you can integrate other platforms. Here you have notification settings, and here you have some security settings, for example the two-factor authentication. So if you click on Shared with Me on the left hand side, you can see there is nothing shared with me, as well as in conversations, so you can see these are both empty. If you click on More, you can basically see the apps here, so these are integrated apps. You can see all conversations and your trash. Below that we have 3 more sections. We have channels, direct messages, and folders. So let's create a channel real quick. We can name this channel #1, and here you can invite others to the channel, but we won't do that now. So here we have created a new channel, and we can either import audio or video files. We can record something, or we can paste a meeting URL to record what is being said. So if you click on record, you can see this is a shared channel, so it is asking you if you agree to this, and then you will need to allow it to use your microphone. And now if you start to speak, you can see it is writing along as you speak, and so this is a voice example on Otter.ai. You can see it is writing as you're speaking. Now here we can stop the recording, and you can see it will redirect you back to your dashboard, and here you can see the notes of your recording here. If you would import something, then you would see it here as well, and you can then click into it, and here you can basically see the text. So here you can see the transcript, and on the right side you can see a summary in case this is a meeting, for example. Now we can go back. Here is our channel that we've created. Now we want to create a direct message, so you will need to type in an email here, otherwise you cannot direct message anyone. In this case, I don't have anyone that I can direct message, so I cannot use this feature. But if you want to message someone, you can just enter in their email here, and you can send them a message. Here we can create folders, so we can create a folder called folder #1. We'll click on create, and here basically have a folder. So here you can change the name, you can record something, or you can import audio or video files again. If you click on record, you can see it's connecting to your microphone, and here it is recording as you speak again. And so this is an Otter.ai example. We can stop the recording here, and you can see we will be redirected back, and we can see this note here in our folder. And if you want to delete that channel, you can click on here, and here you have the 3 dots, and here you have the option to delete the channel. If you don't want to do that, you can also add members here, but I'll delete the channel for now. You can see there's this warning or this confirmation message. If you confirm this, you can see the channel has been deleted, and the same also goes for folders, so you can rename the folder or delete the folder here. Here is a confirmation message. I'll click on delete. You can see we've deleted the channel and deleted the folder now. If you now go to My Conversations, you can see we have one note here. So this is a note that we have created before, and you can see it is stored in My Conversations. Now, if you want to delete this, we can also do this here. You can click on delete, or you can sync text to audio, you can rematch speakers, you can export this. So if you click on export, you can either select a file format. So do you want to save it as a TXT, a docs, a PDF, or SRT? You can see the docs, so Word, PDF, and SRT are only paid features, so you would need to upgrade your plan. However, saving to clipboard or a TXT file format is free. So if you now click on export, you can see your folder opens and it asks you where you want to store that text document. If you then click on the three dots again, you can also move this, and here you have some keyboard shortcuts. But you can also share this. You can see it is private just for me. However, I can add some people to this. I can add a collaborator or a viewer to this. So a collaborator can edit, take notes, and export, and a viewer can only view the transcript here. So if you want to share it with someone, you can basically just choose viewer and either enter in their name if they're registered or on Otter.AI, or you can enter in their email and they will be notified with email that you have invited them. And down below you can also copy a link, so you can click on anyone with the link, and then you can copy the link, and that link that you have just copied, you can share that with anyone and anybody will be able to view that document. And so that's pretty much how we can use Otter.ai for taking notes and transcribing. So if this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, and thank you for watching.